MK and I am back with another kit share for you guys today. And we are using Pretty Little Studio's Sunkissed collection. We went through all the papers and picked out some papers and a few embellishments to go around. And then, like I said, we are always allowed to bring in scraps as well as personalized embellishments. So something that helps us tell our story pertaining to us personally. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the papers because that is super easy to do and seems to be the longest part. So this is right here. It's called Paint Color, and it's just this really cool stripes, and you've got all these different things going on in each little stripe. The little ducky fell down. He's so cute. So we've got that, and then they are all single-sided. So that is going to make it super easy for me to just zip right through these. Here we have Flower Garden. I love this. I love the fact that the yellows and the oranges are the colors that I see the most, instead of, like, there's very little of the pinks. I really don't see them as much as most of the florals. They stick out with the pink. So I love this color, or this floral paper. Then we have Humidity. This is just a nice collage piece of paper, so it is awesome. It's got polka dots, and it's on a grid paper. You've got what looks like stamping on it. I just love this. Next we have Sunburst. This is super cool because you've got your half a photo, it almost your half a layout, and it almost tells you where to put your photos if you want it there, or you can put your photos centrally. You can even turn it and have it as a you know, as like a sunburst. Oh, well, it's called Sunburst coming out, but it is just a fabulous page, and I love how these almost represent all the pages that are available in the kit. In a way, it's just a beautiful piece of paper. This one here is called Feel the Sun. I just thought it was a gorgeous, gorgeous yellow. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love the word print on it. Looks like it's printed from a dictionary book. Between the P's and the R's. Yes. Okay, here we got Watermelon Seeds. Just this gorgeous rainbow of polka dots. Very different from my usual collection. And what Janet is probably telling you guys right now is the fact that I actually am the one that picked this out. Me, all by myself. Yes. This one is called Paper Plates. And it is one of those preschool or elementary school lined paper. So it's got the two lines and then the dashes in the middle, and then all this collage work or stamped work going around on the outside. This one's called Hawaiian Shirt. I love this one. It reminds me of that washi tape that Spectrum Sherbert had in it by 49 and Market, but this is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. This is called Road Trip. So this one here has a yellow undertone to it, makes it look like it's dirty and dingy, so it definitely has that cream color as opposed to all the other white bases. But if you look at it as a yellow piece of paper, it definitely matches everything, and I love the black work done on the outsides. Here we have Relaxation. So it kind of looks like stacked papers. You've even got the ripped paper look going on. A couple washi strips is what this looks like, and then of course that same background of stamping in the back. So very, very cute. This one's called August, which is a very nice rainbowy stripe color. So there is August. And then last but not least, we have Thunderstorm. So this is the blue printed clouds. They also have a colorful rainbow printed clouds, but we went with blue. You could fussy cut them out. I love the addition of like the dragonfly and the bird. I think there was another dragonfly. I just love that teeny tiny little addition of the animals peeking here and there and everywhere. So that's going to be fun as well. So we've got those as the papers. And then for the embellishments, we picked out a couple little packages here. This one is called Shooting Star, and it has a rainbow of stars going on, and then a rainbow star. This one here is called Iced Tea, and it is a wordy pack, so good for titles and stuff like that. So these are the titles. And then it's got some lists going on here, which I think is pretty cool. Summer related, but I do like this one here. Says color, movie, food and season, so I think that's pretty cool because that's not really summer related, but still fun. This one's called Sunshine Mix, and it is a good mix of tabs and tickets, banner pieces, 2 different types of banner pieces, a couple of the clouds, the little duckies walking around, so you got quite a few duckies, some florally bits, and a couple words in there. So that's that. You have a cut apart sheet. This one's called Concert Tickets, and it's basically a rainbow of each color for us to fussy cut out. This one is In the Clouds, and it is a cloud pack that is all rainbow-y. But I like that it has more of the blues than it does any other color. So I really like that as well. All right, so that is the package, the kit that we will be playing with this week. All this week, I don't know, we're supposed to be getting at least 3 layouts with this. Every Friday, Sunday, and Tuesday is when we will be posting using this kit. And then, of course, all the other layouts that will be shown are bonus layouts should we do those. All right, thank you so much, and I will check y'all later. Bye.